Here I will demonstrate how to plot sting northing and up coordinate time series using matplotlib package of Python scripting. So sting coordinate time series, the plot of sting coordinate time series and northing coordinate time series and height coordinate time series looks like this. So we'll try to produce this plot from ENU coordinate time series. We have CSV file named spp underscore result underscore en.csv. So the content of this CSV file looks like this. So we have sting column here, northing column here, and height column here. So at every observation epoch, which is given in time column here, we have sting, no, sting, northing, and height. So we will plot this E and U coordinate time series. Here I created plot underscore ts dot py file, which is empty here. Here is the import portion of the code. So we import pandas and pyplot module from matplotlib. Next, we read a CSV file. So we use read underscore CSV method of pandas module, and we save that CSV file into uh, df data frame here. Next, we created another data frame object named df1, which will only have date time, sting, northing, and height column only. So we need date time, and date time will be plotted in x-axis of our plot, and in y-axis we will plot sting, northing, and height time series. Next, we convert date and time in our CSV file into datetime object implemented in Python. So our CSV file contains a separate column for date and time here. So this statement, this line here, it takes date date value from date column and then corresponding time value from time column, and then join those two value by dash. So the result is date and time is concatenated into single string, and those and the result is inserted into df1 data frame with date time dash str column. After concatenation, our date time format is in this format. So year, month, day, hyphen, hour, minute, and second in decimal format. Now, to underscore datetime method of pandas package, it will take datetime string and the format of that datetime string and convert it into a datetime object, which is a time object here. Next, we will create a function called plot underscore ts, which will plot our coordinate time series. So we take sting column from df1 data frame and assign it to e underscore ts, and we do the same for northern column and height column. Then we compute a mean value out of those time series using a mean method. So here we computed mean sting value, mean northing value, and mean height value. Then we computed residual value. So this is the residual in sting, which is the sting value minus the mean of the sting value. So similarly, we compared northing residual and height residual. So next, so in this line, we use subplots method of pie plot module with three rows and one column. So 3 rows for sting, northing, and height, and we use same x-axis for all three time series plot. So here is axis ax1, ax2, and ax3 for holding sting time series plot, northing time series plot, and height time series plot. Next, in this line we plot sting residual and northing residual and height residual. In this portion of a code, we put a legend and we level our x-axis as a time. Then we save our figure as plot.png in our current directory. So at last we call our function plot underscore ts. So save this file and let's run. So here we get our plot in a PNG format. So this is how our time series plot looks like. So this is sting time series panel, northing time series panel, and height time series panel. So okay, this is what we wanted to create from CSV file that contained sting, northing, and height time series.